Hello everyone. For representation of learning in the adult education course, I decided to use a circuit board to represent the overwhelming interconnection of many aspects in relation to adult education, which made it hard to come up with a succinct definition of what adult education is. The circuit board also represents the shift in adult education due to technology. The lines on the circuit board are transmitters. They reflect the transformative nature of adult education and the overlapping of its areas, which go in every direction. Sometimes they meet, other times they clash and disperse. The globes represent all the major aspects that make up adult education. The little dots are the bugs, the issues surrounding these aspects and the disparities associated with such issues. To illustrate this more, in the center of this massive net is the broad concept of adult education, surrounded by locked closets that are waiting to be unveiled. Synonyms of adult education, types, learning theories, the underlying philosophies, histories, purposes, related theories, and the big issues underlying adult education. Throughout the course, chapter by chapter, week after week, discussion after the other, we were able to unearth these a little bit at a time. Among the first connections made was adult education as a lifelong learning process and as a social movement. Types of adult education: formal, informal, non-formal, theories of learning, transformative, experiential, learner-centered, and self-directed learning. We learn about the various philosophies of adult education: liberal, progressive, behavioral, humanistic, radical or critical, and analytical. We learned about histories of adult education. We followed the timeline of how it started and evolved from past till present day. We looked at purposes of adult education for personal development, community development, economy, knowledge, reproduction, learning for pleasure, skill honing, reform, social movement, change, empowerment, experimental, employability, education for workplace training, and as ambition. Then the many theories related to adult education: gender theory, war, critical race theory, indigenous theory, feminist theories, critical consciousness, transformative, intersectionality, globalization, international adult learning theories, and critical social theories, among many others. All these overlap with big issues and underlying structures that govern adult education, like policies, power relations, role of federal and provincial government, political effect, neoliberal and conservative, issues of class, elitist versus marginalized, colonial ideals, issues of social justice, anti-oppressive framework, knowledge economy, language, accessibility, multiculturalism, immigration, foreign credentials, workplace, labor, wage, etc., etc. The little dots here can be representative of the microaggressions that are common across all of the issues that adult education seeks to address. The inequalities and racism based on gender, disability, race, color, accent, class, wage, intellect. They represent the marginalized identities and silenced voices. The biggest factor and takeaway for me is learning as a transformative experience, which carries a lot on personal level for educators, learners, and as a tool for social and political transformation of the status quo. Also, the intersectionality of many of the aspects in adult education is mind-blowing. And finally, learning is a process. The circuit board reflects a process of transmission. Making this representation was quite a process. So I can say that the learning experience is a circuit board.